Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So this is take 2 of this video. I actually just filmed nearly the entire video before I realized my window unit was on. I forgot to turn it off and it was just too loud. I watched the video. There's just no way I can use it. It was too loud in the background. So I'm filming again. So I'm using the Hello Kiwi stamp set. I love this set. I don't know what it is about fruit stamp sets, but they call my name. And I love this one. A lot of fun. You've got 4 really great sentiments, and then you've got fun images. You've got the half kiwi, the whole kiwi slice, and then you've got also raspberry, or I guess that could be a blackberry. I don't know. But just a fun set. Oh yeah, and the splatter. So anyways, we're gonna make a card featuring this stamp set, and I'm calling this a 1-layer card. It's not technically a 1-layer card, but for me, it's a 1-layer card because normally I have a die cut or I have a punch, something, and my cards are usually more built up, and this one isn't. So to me, it's a 1-layer card. So we're gonna go with that. So for my basic white cardstock that I'm gonna be stamping on, this is cut 3 7/8 of an inch by 5 1/8 inch. Don't worry, I have all of the measurements over on today's coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. Oh my gosh, you guys, a tree just fell down in my front yard, almost on top of my car. I'll be back. So little intermission to the video. So this tree just fell, a perfectly healthy tree. So this is my driveway. It keeps going all the way out to the main road. But if you come, I'm not gonna show this direction because my car's right there and my license plate and all that. But so I park under this tree. So this tree overhangs the other side of my driveway. So I thought this sound that I heard was this tree falling on my car. But anyways, so strange. So I don't know what to do. I mean, I can drive through my front yard because I don't have grass yet. So I can just drive through to get out. Obviously, I'm not trapped. But I mean, what are the chances that randomly on a beautiful sunny day, a healthy tree would collapse? I just had to share it with you guys. Okay, back to today's regularly scheduled programming. Okay, so let's go ahead and stamp on this piece of basic white. So I've got my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, which I just refilled. And I'm gonna go ahead and start stamping my little half slices of kiwi, and I'm going to stamp them up the right side of my basic white. And this first one is going to go off the edge a little bit because all 5, I'm going to stamp 5 of them and they won't all fully fit. So I'm just starting off the edge. You guys, I cannot believe that just happened. I mean, what are the odds? And why does a beautiful, lush, happy tree fall on a sunny day? I mean, that's so crazy. Oh my gosh. But I mean, you guys got to experience it with me, so I'm glad you're here. I'm not alone. I am, but I'm not. Okay, and the last one. So I just put them pretty close together, but you can see there's just a tiny little bit of space in between each one. So there we go. I'm going to leave out my Memento because I'm going to use it a couple more times. So now I've got Lemon Lime Twist, one of my favorite Stampin' Up! Colors. I'm going to stamp the little filler image for these kiwi. Simplest 2-step stamping you'll ever do. I love this stamp set. It's very easy to line everything up, and I love how Lemon Lime Twist looks with black. And if you go out of the edge, see how I went out of the lines? It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It still looks great. Now you've got that fun splatter image. I'm going to ink that up in Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm I'm just gonna stamp it right there. Then I chose the sentiment hello. You know, this is my third time now to make this card. So do I want to stick? Yeah, I'll stick with hello. Why not? I was gonna change it, but you know what? Too much has happened today. I'm just gonna stick with it. And I'm stamping it right over my splatter. And I'm holding it a little bit longer. I wanna make sure it's nice and dark. I love that. Now, I am going to bring in a piece of basic white cardstock that is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. This is for the inside of my card. So I'm gonna stamp this image from the stamp set, which is the filler image for the large kiwi slice. I'm gonna ink that up in Lemon Lime Twist, stamp that in the center, right about there should do. And then for the inside, I chose the happy birthday sentiment. You can never have too many birthday cards. And I'm gonna stamp that off to the bottom right of that little image. Okay, and now we can start putting this card together. So for my card base, I've got basic white thick cardstock. This is cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 inches. Give that a nice crease. This makes one of my favorite card folds, which is the vertical fold. I love when cards open this direction. It's my favorite. Okay, then I've got basic black cardstock. This is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and I'm gonna layer my outside stamped panel to this piece, and it just gives you, if you use these measurements, it just gives you that nice little 1/8 inch border all the way around on all 4 sides. Again, all of the measurements for today's project are over on my coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. So we'll just add this onto the center of my basic black, and then I'm going to use my black dimensionals. I don't use these very often, but I get very excited when I have the opportunity to use them. Just something different. So add that on and take off my backings. Okay, whoops. And just center that up onto the card base. And like I said, I mean, for me, this is a single layer card because this is not how I normally make my cards. So I'm calling it a single layer. I love this. And then we'll add this panel to the inside, the rest of our message. And then we will finish this card up with some of the classic matte dots. So with these, you get white, cream, or I guess I should say vanilla, gray, and black. So I'm going to grab a few black, and I'll just do a large and then 2 little ones. Put that there. All right, so that finishes up today's quick and easy card. Hello, happy birthday. I love it. Very simple card, but I think it's really fun. I love the lemon lime twist and the black. It would be fun to change these colors up, maybe do a different color for each kiwi, or just try pink kiwis, purple, blue, yellow. You can do whatever. Doesn't have to be a green color necessarily. So I think it's just a fun stamp set. And I also, of course, had to make a matching envelope. So I stamped the full slice of kiwi there, and then I added this lemon lime twist polka dot pattern to the envelope flap. This is from the Brights 6x6 Designer Series paper, and I love this card, you guys. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Share the video. I really appreciate you guys so much. I'm trying to increase my views, so share the video. And don't forget, you can order any of these supplies that you saw me use here today. They are listed and linked down below in the video description. They're also over on today's coordinating blog post along with the measurements for today's project. And you can always shop with me when you purchase your Stampin' Up products. So thanks again. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.